Morning. I've got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport here. It's got 3.6 in it, 75,000 miles on her. Customer first come to me this winter with a no heat issue. So I went and back flushed the heater core, got a bunch of stand out of it. Looked real suspicious, so I done further research and found that they had an issue with these little fellers, that they had casting sand from when the engine block was built. And from what I found out, it collected in radiator and it collects in heater core. So the customer brought it back to me and we replaced the radiator, replaced the water pump, and replaced the thermostat with all new coolant. And I went and drilled 2 holes in the bottoms of the radiator at the ends, and I drained this out of the bottom of it, and that is casting sand from when the engine was built. It's full of grit. So we got the engine washed out. Make sure you wipe your hands off after touching the antifreeze. But got the engine washed out, reflushed the heater core, put new coolant all in it, and she'll be good to go. But if you have problems with heat issues or overheating issues, it could be that the radiator's plugged. And we found signs that the water pump had started to knife blade. So I checked to see if there was any recalls on this. There was no recalls at this time, but there sure should be. So thank you much, and you all have a great day. Be safe out there.